All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So loosen up. To relax more. Relax more. I want you to loosen up more. They need to loosen up. Yeah, loosen up. They are too uptight. Yeah, definitely. She wants me to loosen up. She wants me to loosen up. Yeah. She loosens up on the weekend. How cool is that? Yeah. We need to loosen up before it starts. Definitely. How cool is that? I loosened up when I saw the news. Yeah, it was good. I felt more relaxed. Yeah. When we heard what happened, we then loosened up. Very nice. Yeah. Yeah. We are loosening up now. Very good. It's important to loosen up. It is important to loosen up when you're feeling stressed. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How should we loosen up tonight? I don't know how to loosen up. Maybe it depends on what you want to do. Yeah. Reading and writing is a good way to loosen up. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, to loosen up. Now, can you use loosen up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.